So you wanna call a function repeatedly without using tick. That's set timer by function name. Timers are more efficient than tick. You tell Unreal to call a function every X seconds and no wasted processing. And to get this node, just right click and type function by name, set timer function by name, as you can see on the screen. And this node will appear. For now, we will remove it because we already have a logic prepared for this example. So let's just select this both and remove it for now. So the logic is very simple. I just have to remove the delay because there is no need. And we are taking a pin from even begin play. And now here we are setting a function where the object is self, because this function exists in this blueprint only. So the function I prepared is very common one, very simple one, and then time of 0.2 second, and then we have looping on. So it will loop every 0.2 second, and the function is pretty simple. It's just, yep, it's working on a print string. So as you can see, when we press play, it started printing it. Now it is used for enemy waves, healing over time, background event. If it's repeating on schedule, use timer instead of tick. It will be much more efficient than tick ever could be. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the timer is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.